You want to learn how to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp web version. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. First, head over to Google Drive and then find a file that you want to share. In my case, I'm going to use this file. Hover on it, and on the top, next to this text, you'll find these three dots. This is more actions. If you click it, you will have this whole drop down. Under it, you've got this share. Hover on it, and then you've got these two options. Click on share. Going to give you another pop-up, and under general access you'll find that it's restricted. If you click on this, we will have these two options again. With restricted and anyone with link, you need to select anyone with link. Now on the right hand side you'll find this. You can give a role to the person you are sharing to. They can view the file as a viewer, as a commenter, or as an editor. Let's keep it as viewer, and under it we have got done and copy link. I'm going to copy this link. Now I'm going to open a new page and enter web.whatsapp.com. Now on here, you need to link your Android device with this page. You will see this QR code, and I'm going to go over to my Android device and I will open up WhatsApp. On this, on the top bar, on the top right corner, you will find these three dots. It will give you a drop down. At the bottom, you will find settings. Next to these text, you will find this QR code type icon. Click on this and it's going to give you this page. Now select scan code and it will enable the camera access. If it asks you for permission, just click on yes. Now on your computer, to reload the code again because it has expired. Now scan the QR code and it will say device login code detected. Click on continue and link a device. Now we got the WhatsApp working on the web version. Now to share that link on computer, just click on one of your messages and inside here you can type a new message. Just Control and V here, and this is going to share the Google Drive link to someone on WhatsApp. So this is how you can share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp web version. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.